Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. This video explores the MassMutual Retirement Savings Calculator, a valuable tool located at https://www.massmutual.com/financial-wellness/retirement-savings-calculator. Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming, but this calculator simplifies the process by providing a personalized projection of your retirement savings. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your financial future. The calculator considers various factors, including your current age, desired retirement age, current annual income, and existing retirement savings. It also accounts for anticipated annual income increases and allows you to adjust your estimated rate of return, providing a realistic picture based on your individual circumstances. By inputting this information, you can gain valuable insights into whether you're on track to meet your retirement goals. One of the key benefits of this calculator is its ability to model different saving scenarios. You can experiment with increasing your monthly contributions or adjusting your retirement age to see how these changes impact your overall savings. This interactive feature allows you to visualize the long-term effects of your financial decisions, helping you to identify areas for improvement and refine your retirement strategy. Furthermore, understanding the potential impact of various investment returns can help you balance risk and reward in your portfolio. The MassMutual Retirement Savings Calculator is not just a one-time tool. It's designed to be revisited and adjusted as your life changes. As your income increases, you can update the calculator to reflect your new financial situation and ensure your savings plan remains aligned with your goals. Similarly, if your retirement goals evolve, you can modify your inputs to recalculate your projected savings and make necessary adjustments to your contributions. While this calculator is a powerful resource, remember that it's essential to consult with a qualified financial advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. A financial professional can help you develop a comprehensive retirement plan that incorporates various factors, including tax implications, estate planning, and other important considerations. The calculator is an excellent starting point, but professional advice is crucial for creating a secure financial future. Remember to visit https://www.massmutual.com/financial-wellness/calculators/retirement-savings-calculator to explore the tool and begin planning your retirement today.